The 16-piece Orion MotorTech slide hammer bearing removal toolkit comes complete with 10 individual segment grip type collectors, 3 screw adapters, the slide hammer shaft, as well as the jaw assembly. Each piece is neatly and securely packed in its own home inside this heavy-duty, custom molded storage case. Solid construction and designed with precision, while this slide hammer kit fits perfectly in any professional mechanic's toolbox, it's also affordable enough for the novice gearhead. The grip collector screws neatly onto the jaw assembly, and using the hex head you would tighten down on the jaw to pull the bearing out. The slide hammer is equally easy to use. Simply attach the appropriate grip collector to the end of the hammer and use the sliding action to knock out the bearing. Easier than explaining how it works would be for me to just show you. We're going to remove the rear bearing out of this late model Nissan Xterra V6 engine using the slide hammer. Once you've found the appropriate grip collector, slide it through the bearing and tighten down on the threaded rod, which expands the collector. Then with a few simple knocks, it's out. Folks, it's really that easy. This bearing kit, I have to say, has been a lifesaver in my toolbox more times than I care to mention. I just cannot say enough good things about it. But really, what more is there to say than simply, it works? The slide hammer bearing removal toolkit from Orion MotorTech. Order yours now.